Hello and welcome to the Hardison and Cochran podcast. In today's episode, North Carolina Workers' Compensation Board Certified Specialist Attorney Ben Cochran will be answering the question, what happens if mediation doesn't resolve an issue in my North Carolina workers' compensation claim? Now here's Ben Cochran.
In North Carolina, when an individual has an issue in their workers' compensation claim, they can request a hearing before the Industrial Commission. As a matter of law, all cases that there is a hearing request must be ordered to mediation prior to a hearing before the Industrial Commission. A mediation is a process where all the parties get together, discuss the issue that is presented by either party based upon who requested the hearing, and they try and either resolve the entire claim or they try and resolve that one issue. If for whatever reason the parties can't come to a conclusion as to how to resolve that issue, then the mediator, who is a neutral, disinterested party who has worked with both sides during the mediation, will declare an impasse. And so once that impasse is filed with the Industrial Commission, the case is then scheduled for hearing before a deputy commissioner. It usually takes about 2 to 3 months for that case to go from a mediation to be scheduled for hearing. And once the case is scheduled for hearing, all the parties present before the Industrial Commission in front of the assigned deputy commissioner based upon what county the injury occurred. And the testimony is provided by both sides to determine who is correct in their interpretation of the issue and how it should be resolved.
Thank you for listening to the Hardison and Cochran podcast. If you had any questions, feel free to contact the firm through their website at lawyernc.com. Once again, that's lawyernc.com. We hope you have a great day. Listening to this podcast does not create an attorney-client relationship between you and Hardison and Cochran. Hardison and Cochran does not accept new clients until obtaining a signed agreement. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be intended or taken as legal advice. If you have a legal matter, contact a licensed attorney in your state about your specific set of circumstances.